Hello friends. Welcome to your YouTube channel, the School of Homeopathy. Today's topic, Cuprum Metallicum. Cuprum Metallicum, commonly known as copper, is a homeopathic remedy derived from the metal copper. It is often used to address symptoms related to muscle cramps, convulsions, and neurological issues. Cuprum Metallicum is particularly known for its indications in cases involving spasms and cramps, as well as conditions affecting the nervous system. Symptoms: muscle cramps and spasms. Cuprum Metallicum is primarily indicated for muscle cramps and spasms, often affecting the calves, toes, fingers, and abdomen. The cramps may be severe, sudden, and accompanied by a feeling of tightness. Convulsions. It is commonly used for conditions involving convulsions and seizures, especially when there is a repetitive pattern of muscle contractions and relaxations. Neurological symptoms. Cuprum Metallicum is prescribed for neurological symptoms, such as twitching, trembling, and tingling sensations in various parts of the body. Epilepsy. It can be considered for epilepsy and seizure disorders, especially when there is a specific pattern of movements or sensations before or during the seizure. Gastrointestinal disturbances. Cuprum Metallicum is indicated for digestive issues, such as nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea, often accompanied by cramps and spasms. Respiratory symptoms. It is used for respiratory issues, such as coughing fits with spasms and difficulty breathing. Restlessness and anxiety. Cuprum Metallicum is associated with restlessness, anxiety, and a sensation of constriction in the chest. Menstrual cramps. It is prescribed for severe menstrual cramps with spasmodic pains in the lower abdomen and back. Chorea. Cuprum Metallicum can be considered for chorea, a neurological disorder characterized by involuntary, jerky movements. If you have any questions, please feel free to write in the comment box. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos like this.